Ladies, are you getting ready for the coronation of King Charles III? If so, you may be wondering what hat etiquette is expected on this special and unique occasion. First of all, it's important to choose a hat that complements your outfit and is appropriate for the occasion. For a formal event like a coronation, it's best to wear a hat with a wide brim and minimal embellishments. Secondly, you should never take your hat off during the event, even when indoors. However, it would be courteous to remove your hat or headpiece if it were very, very big and likely to obstruct the view of the person sitting behind you. Finally, if you need to greet someone, tilt your hat slightly forward as a sign of respect. So ladies, remember to choose a suitable hat, wear it correctly, and show your respect for the occasion. Enjoy the coronation of King Charles III.